Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the USB and files. Plug a 16 GB or larger drive into your PC, then format it to NTFS if you plan to store large files, otherwise use FAT32 for compatibility. Download and extract your Xbox 360 game ISO or folder. Install the transfer utility you chose, make sure it's compatible with Xbox 360 file structure. Once done, confirm free space equals the game size plus 1 GB spare, and keep the console nearby for the next step. Now transfer the game data to the USB. Open your transfer tool and convert the ISO to the Xbox 360 file layout if needed. This step creates content or games folders with proper metadata. Next, copy the game folder into the USB's root or the required content/games path. Verify the folder size matches the source and that key files like content, meta and game, RMVB or default, ZEX are present. Then use the OS eject command to avoid corruption. Do not just pull the drive out. Final step, load the USB on your Xbox 360. Insert the drive and go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Storage, then locate the USB and verify files appear. Launch the game from Games and Apps or from storage if supported. If it fails, clear the console cache, try a different USB port, and make sure the folder and metadata match Xbox expectations. If problems persist, reconvert or rebuild the file layout on your PC. That one fix resolves most incompatibility errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.